Hello student, welcome to social science class. In the last class I was discussing the characteristics of continent. To continue the same topic, okay, today I shall discuss continent of North America. Continent of North America, it is the world third largest continent, and the total land area it is 24.3 million square kilometer, which constitute 16.3% of the world land area. Now this continent, it is located extend from 7 degree north latitude in the south to 83 degree north latitude on the north, and from 50 degree west longitude on the east to 168 degree west longitude on the west. The continent of this North America is surrounded by Northern Ocean on the north, South America, Gulf of Mexico and Pacific Ocean on the south, and Atlantic Ocean on the east, Bering Sea, Bering Strait and the Pacific Ocean on the west. So this is the geographical location of the continent of North America. Now along with this, Canada, USA, Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Panama and many more other countries. So these are of this Central America. World's second largest country is Canada, and located in this continent it means North America. Now physiography of this continent, physiographic characteristics of this continent, it is very highly diverse, and the highest place it is McKinley Peak. McKinley Peak, it is the highest place and it is 6194 meter, and the lowest place it is Death Valley, which is 86 meter below sea level. This is sea level, means if it is sea level means below the sea level. So measurement is always taken from the sea level. Now western and eastern part of this continent are very highly hilly and mountainous in the north-south direction. On the basis of these physiographic characteristics, North America can be divided into 4 divisions. One is the Rocky Mountainous region, Great Upland Plain region, Appalachian Highland region and the coastal lowland plain. So based on this physiographic character, so 4 main divisions are there, okay, in North America, and one is Rocky Mountainous region, Great Upland Plain region, Appalachian High region, Highland region, coastal lowland plain. Now this Rocky Mountain region consists of lofty young folded mountain ranges like Himalaya mountain system, located in the western part of this continent, North America. Besides, coastal west is characterized by mountain ranges like Cascade and Coastal Range. Eastern part it is extending from Newfoundland in the north to Florida in the south, being characterized by hills in the mountains. The Allegheny and the Blue Ridge mountain located in the southern part of this region. In this continent, like the other continents, okay, so when I was discussing the other continents, so number of rivers in the lakes we found in the other continents. So like this, the other continents, here in this continent also, so number of rivers in the lakes are there. Among these, Missouri, Mississippi, Red, Colorado, Columbia, Snake, Ohio, etc. are worth mentioning rivers found in this continent. And the major lake, it is Superior, Huron, Bear, Great Slave, Great Salt are worth mentioning lakes in the continent. And desert, okay, desert in this continent, in the southern part of this continent, it is Colorado. So this is the desert area in the continent. So this is the river, lake in the desert. Other than the physical characteristics, and based on this physiographic character, North America divided into 4 division: Rocky Mountainous region, Great Upland, Appalachian Highland, Coastal Upland. These are the 4 division. Now in the west, north, south, what are the means hills? Okay, hills are there that you have to remember. Okay, name of this remember this hill area. Okay, mountainous regions you have to remember like this. Blue Ridge mountain located in the southern part of this continent. So you have to remember all these physical characteristics. Next, it is the continent of South America. Now this continent, it is just on the north of south of North America is South America. It is located between 12 degree north latitude on the north to 55 degree south latitude on the south, and 35 degree west longitude on the east to 81 degree west longitude on the west. The shape of this continent is just like reverse triangle. This is triangle. So just like reverse triangle, just like, it is not exactly triangle. Now the geographical area of this continent, it is about 18 million kilometer. Okay, it is 18 million square kilometer, which is 11.9% of the total land area. Now the continent of this South America, it is surrounded by North America, Caribbean Sea on the north, South Ocean on the south, and Atlantic Ocean on the east, and Pacific Ocean on the west. So this continent in the 4 sides, okay, in the 4 sides surrounded by water bodies. Now with Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Argentina, Chile, etc. are there. Altogether 12 countries are there in this continent. It is the world 5th, means the world 5th largest country, Brazil, okay, located in this continent. According to this 2014 estimates, so total 407 million peoples are there. So the total population of this continent, it is 407 million. Now physiographic character of this continent, it is also like this North America, this South America. Physiographic characteristics of this continent is also very diverse. It contains almost all the landform, including high mountains, river and plain, plateaus, coastal plain, island, desert. The western part of this South America is covered the high Andes folded mountain ranges in the north-south direction from Panama Canal to Cape of Horn. Andes mountain ranges, it is the longest mountain ranges, and total length, it is 8,000 kilometer. Clear? Andes mountain, don't be confused. Andes mountain ranges, it is the longest in the world, and length it is 8,000 kilometer. And in respect of altitude, the position of this Andes, it is just next to Himalaya, and the height of the peak, okay, its highest peak is Aconcagua, it is 7020 meter. The Great Brazilian Plateau is also located in the central eastern part of this continent. Now these are the physiographic character. Now among the rivers, so Orinoco, Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, Uruguay, etc. are worth mentioning river in this continent. So it may be here mentioned, okay, it may be mentioned that the world highest lake, okay, So it is Titicaca located in this continent, and Atacama hot desert and the Patagonia temperate desert are located. Okay, are located in the extremely rainless dry part of the Andes mountain ranges. So in this mountain ranges, Atacama hot desert and Patagonia temperate desert, okay, temperate desert are located extremely in the rainless dry part of this Andes mountain system or the ranges. So this is all about the physiographic character of this continent. Next continent, it is continent of Oceania. Oceania, it is formed by the great island of Australia and many other small and the large island located in the southwest Pacific Ocean, including New Zealand, Tasmania, New Guinea, etc. Located in the south of Asia, located on the south of Asia, this continent is completely part of the southern hemisphere. Part of this southern hemisphere, southern, northern, so southern hemisphere. Now it roughly extends from 0 degree equator on the north to 48 degree north latitude, 48 degree south latitude on the south. It extends from 0 degree equator on the north to 48 degree south latitude on the north and 180 degree longitude on the east to 113 degree east longitude on the west. The land area of this continent comprising 8 million square kilometer, which constitute 5.4% of the total land area. Australia, it is the largest country of this small continent, and it is the 6th largest country of the world. This continent, Oceania continent, is surrounded by island of Java, Sumatra, etc. on the Southeast Asia, Pacific Ocean on the north, Southern Ocean on the south, and Pacific Ocean on the east, and Indian Ocean on the west. Along with this, Australia and the New Zealand, the continent of Oceania, altogether this continent has 14 countries as per the 2014 estimates. So the Oceania continent has about 38 million population. Now Australia, the main land of this Oceania is an ancient plateau. It is a narrow coastal plain all around, and the eastern part of this Australia is highland region formed by great dividing range, snowy mountain. Okay, so this region is known as by Australian Alps. Now Murray and the Darling River have created a great plain in the southwestern part of this Australia. So these are the dividing line and the highlands in the Australia. Beside these two major rivers, so the other important rivers of Australia are Belyando, Flinders, Victoria, Swan, etc. are worth mentioning, and the lakes are Barley, Mackay, Kerry are worth mentioning. In the western part of Australia, it is covered with a desert. Among these deserts, desert of Australia, Great Victoria, Great Sandy, Tanami, Simpson, Gibson, Little Sandy, etc. are worth mentioning. So this is all about this the physiographic character of this Oceania continent. So with this discussion of this continent, so discussion of overall all the 7 continents, so finished, and countries of the world. So in your book, so countries located, situated in the different continents are there given in your book, and the capitals are also there. Okay, countries and their capitals, and total population and the area. You go through once all these countries, and with this, with this chapter, your half yearly syllabus is finished. Geography 2 chapters and history 2 chapters. I have completed all these chapters. So you read at home nicely, read repeatedly, and and if any doubt is there, you write in the comment section, I shall reply you. This is all about the day's discussion. Thanks to all.